Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain how to use the voice feature and how you can clone your own voice in Kon Studio. This is the landing page of the website. First you need to log in. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up and then log in. Once you're inside, you'll land on the home page of the studio. On the left side, you'll see an option called Voice. Click on it. Here you'll find a collection of inbuilt voices available for you to use. Each voice has a name along with a description that helps you understand how it will sound. You'll find a wide range of both male and female voices. You can also filter by any language of your own choice. Now let's create a custom voice. To do that, click on Generate Voice Clone. You can either record your voice directly or upload an audio file of the voice you want to clone. Let's upload an audio file now. Once the file is uploaded, you can assign a name, select the gender, choose the language, and add a short description of the voice. After that, click on Create Voice Clone. Your custom voice will now be generated. Next, click on Use Voice and enter the script you want the voice to speak. You can also fine-tune the output by adjusting settings like stability, similarity, and speed. Once satisfied, you can download the generated audio file.
Hello, this is a test of my cloned voice. Hello there, I'm a sales assistant.
And that is how easily the voice cloning feature works. Thank you for watching this video.